Welcome, bienvenidos al segundo video, chicos. Just to make sure that you watch the videos, I'm going to have 5 words, 5 words that I'm going to share that are Christmas related. And you have to give me those 5 words, and that way I know you watched all the videos. The first word, chicos, I will give you when after I do one problem, and I'm gonna share when. No les voy a decir cuándo. Okay? So good luck. Better make sure that you have all 5, por favor. Number 7. Which statement describes the relationship between x and y in these equations? Bueno, en este, ¿qué está pasando, chicos? What's happening? We're adding, right? Estamos sumando, adding 7. So we're going to find in the answer choices where it states that, where it connects these two y dice they're adding here. Y en este, we're multiplying. Entonces, times or multiply 7 or lo que sea. And in the answer choices, we're going to look for the one that is correct. Now, let's check. I would pause the video, chicos, and see if I can find it myself. 3, 2, 1. Bueno, la D. In 7x, the value is times 7, obvio, and x plus 7, the value is 7 more than x plus 7, sumar, adding. So this is the answer. Yay. Bravo. Number 8, chicos. This one, what we have to do, what I recommend you do right away, chicos, is put the number at the very top, chicos. Whatever this is, lo que sea, el número que es, pónganlo arriba. Mira, este es 40, este es 25, this is 20, and this is in between 10 and 0, so that's probably 5. Ahí está. Con eso ya podemos encontrar la respuesta. With that, we can find the answer. Determine if it's true or false. Bueno, it took between 16 and 30 minutes, this one, to resolve 30 calls. Well, it actually is 25, not 30, so this is false. Let's go to the next page, porque ahí está lo demás. It took more than 30 minutes to resolve issues for 25 calls. A ver, more than 30 minutes, okay. Well, 20 plus 5, that's 25. These 25, chicos, were with more than 30 minutes. So that one is true. Esa es verdad. The greatest number of customer service issues were resolved in 61 minutes. Wow, greatest? Are you sure? Because that's only 5 calls. Y acá, 40 calls lasting only 15 minutes. So this is not the greatest. En realidad es el más pequeño. So this is false. Bravo. Qué fácil, ¿verdad? I know. Now, number 9. A total of 144 bunnies were taken to a veterinarian's office. The ratio of bunnies to hamsters was 8-4. How many animals were taken were hamsters? Bueno, para la number 9, chicos, lo que van a tener que hacer, what you're going to have to do is this. Something we haven't done in a while. Peso, pluma, guacala, Peppa Pig, ahí está, huevito. Now, after we have that, chicos, esto es lo que va a pasar. This fraction, we're going to put it right here. We're going to place it. It's going to be the first numbers we put. Then, for plus 8, 12. Okay, this represents bunnies. This represents hamsters. And this is going to represent the total. Now, the bigger total they gave us was 144. What are you looking for, chicos? Hamsters. So that means we have an X right here, chicos. Y ahí está. You have perfect numbers for Wakanda forever. Entonces, you can multiply 8 times 144, divide by 12, or what are you multiplying by, chicos? Times 12, so side to side, and you find the answer. So this one, I recommend practicing it several times. Watching this part, you can go back and rewind just a little bit para que vuelvan a escuchar la number 9. Because number 9, one more time, number 9 is going to be Peso Pluma Guacala, Peppa Pig, Huevito. Okay? Awesome. Now, this is the perfect opportunity to put the first word. The first word is going to be a reindeer, un venado, como Rudolph. Ándale. ¿Eso es así, no? O con la F. I don't remember. Pero reindeer va a ser la primera palabra. First word. Make sure you write it down and you show me all 5 words. Gracias. Para esta, chicos, studies show that 75% of people who follow a K-pop group are happier, which is obviously false. It's just a situation. It's make-believe, obvio. No one's going to be happy with a K-pop group. Just kidding. JK, no se enojen, please. Okay, now, which is equivalent to 75%? Well, the first thing you got to do, 2 times to the left, 1, 2, Dr. Pepper. This makes 0.75. Now, this should be a 7, and this should be a 7. I apologize for that. But it still wouldn't be because 7.5 is not true, and 75 is not true. It has to be 0.75. Now, if you remember which fraction it is, awesome. If not, how you say it is how you write it. So 75 hundredths, you simplify by 25 by quarters, and this will be 3/4. Boom. Papita. Awesome, right? I know. I am awesome. Now, number 11, chicos, 39.5. ¿Cuál me da esta respuesta? Which one is the total that will give me this? So what you have to do, chicos, is you have to multiply, and these you would have to have 3.4 times 1 point. Let me find it very quickly. Boom, boom. That's 1, 7, 3. That's 7, 28, 2. Oh, sorry. No, my mistake. That's 4, 28. That's 2, and 0, and then almost 3. That's 2, 14. Why is it so much? Wait, well, I'll just use 14. Now, 14, you're going to multiply this. You're going to multiply this. 2.5. You're going to divide these, chicos. And remember, when you're dividing, you're going to move this because you cannot divide by a decimal. So you move 1. This, you could do normal division, dividing by 0.75, and just move 2 times to the right. 2 times to the right. Or you can have 18.3 times 4/3. And then that's just putting a 100. This is KCF, el pollito, KFC. Or you could do it normally, like I said. You could do this one normally as well. This is 0.25, 1, 2, 1, 2, and that's just normal division. Or if you prefer, you could have this number times 4/1, which is the same thing. Como ustedes prefieran, chicos. Now, this one is probably going to be the longest. Es probablemente going to be la más larga. No difícil, not really. But the ones that give you the answer they have in the front, that's the correct answer, chicos. Esa es la respuesta correcta. Entonces, take your time with it, have fun with it, but I would recommend leaving 11. La 11 déjenla para el final. That way you don't have use your scratch paper. Todavía tienen espacio. You have somewhere to work. But this one's going to take too long if you can't find the answer. So this one, skip it. Skip it and leave it for the last question. Déjenlo para el final. That way you already know you're going to pass with the rest of the questions. And then this one is just whether you want the 100 or not. Okay? Now, 12, chicos, is the easiest thing ever. When you're looking for absolute value, cuando están buscando por el absolute value, when you have these two little lines, that means the number that you have inside becomes positive. Even if it were a negative number, the answer would still be the same. So just make everything positive, and if it's already positive, just leave it the way it is. So that's the answer. Papita, right? This one should be easy. Papita, chicos. Papita.